bibis! Ha! Ha! Ha!
Open up!
Ako nga po pala si Pamela Misabolan. So, gagawa tayong video. It's all about New York City is open data on. What? Arat na! New York City sa Past Local Law 11 is a mandated that city agencies termically categorize data that make them available to the public. Sa halip na tumugon sa mga partikular na kahilingan para sa publikong impormasyon sa isang ad hoc na kabatayan, hinihili ng lungsod ang sarili na mag-publish ng data. Lahat ng data diretso sa kaligitnaan ng 2015, 30 taon at 1,300 na mga database. Sa programa ang administrasyon di Balsyo ay nakatuon sa pagbubukas ng data nito para sa lahat.
Ako si Lily Cruz! Ako si Lily Cruz! Ako!
Department of Information Technology and Telecommunication enlisted the help of the civic, technology, community, and city agency to create the documents. New York City government function. As of May 2013, the city has made approximately 1,750 unique representation of more than 1,000 raw dataset available of no chance via NYC open data. Years of city performance data in building information including building complaints, permit, and building jumps. Agency information encompassing evacuation zones and evacuation centers. Time data spanning the previous 12 years. List of licensed taxi drivers that is updated on a daily basis. New York City is now using data and analysis and represented ways to develop policies, drive operations, and improve service for its citizens. Panahon ngayon, ang New York City ay gumagamit na sila ng open data at meron din silang nakabuo na patakaran sa serbisyo. Is ongoing in September 2013 was scheduled to publish an open data compliance plan that categorized of public data set available by the end 2018.